Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, you will understood so how to deploy a pre-built ML model or pre-built models using Amazon SageMaker notebook. You will understood the simplest way to deploy a model or to deploy already pre-built ML models or GenAI models from Amazon or open source models. What are the pre-built open source models there? Those how to deploy them easily on Amazon SageMaker notebook that you will understood. That is, let's say in market we have multiple pre-built or you can say pre-trained models are available. Multiple pre-trained models are available. Now, in order to use them for my specific application, I need to deploy them. So for that, I want to use Amazon Cloud for deploying them. To deploy any pre-trained model in Amazon, we need to know how to deploy it. That you will understood from this video. So let's see first what are the pre-trained models available for us. Now I'm searching for pre-trained models for Amazon Python SDK. So in Google I searched for this. You can see the SDK Python SDK related links are visible here. So here directly built-in algorithms and pre-trained model tables is visible. I'm just opening it. So you can open it directly in that way, or you can open this Python SDK. That is SageMaker Python SDK, software development kit. Inside that, under use trained, under this that is under built-in algorithms and pre-trained models in Python SDK. You can see built-in algorithms with pre-trained models table is there. There you can able to see the available models. So totally these many models are there. That is these many tables of models are there. I'm just showing top 100. So these are the top 100. So like that we have 10 pages. Okay, now for this demo I want to take any one of the model to show you how to deploy it in easy way. So for that I'm just using a Falcon 7B model, that is a famous Hugging Face model. You can see this Hugging Face LLM Falcon 7B BF16. So this is one of the model. I'm just want to take it to show you how to deploy a model on Amazon SageMaker. So I'm just copying this model name. For this demo, I have already created a SageMaker notebook and I've opened it right now for this demo. Now let's see how to deploy that model. So let's first store that model ID in this model ID variable. I just store that model ID in this model ID variable. Now in order to deploy any JumpStart model, if you want to deploy any JumpStart model, already available model or pre-trained model in SageMaker, then you need to import this from SageMaker dot JumpStart dot model import JumpStart model. So that's it. In this way, you need to import this JumpStart model, and so by using that JumpStart model, you can able to create your model. That is model is equals to JumpStart model of. So what is your model ID that you need to provide? Then, so you have provided your model ID. Then you need to specify this instance type. By using what instance type you are expecting to deploy this model. So that you need to specify. So currently I want to deploy it by using ML G5 2x large instance type, and so that's it. I just want to deploy it. So that's why I'm writing this a deploy command. Then, so here you need to mention one thing, that is, do we need to accept ELU? That is, accept EULA. So what does this EULA means? EULA means every pre-trained model has their own license, right? Yes. So while deploying, some models or some models need to be accepted. That is, their license agreement need to be accepted, right? Yes. So that you need to provide here. In case if you want to provide that acceptance, then provide true here. Since this is a free model, that is this Hugging Face LLM Falcon model, this is free, so that's why it does not have any license acceptance. This EULA stands for End User License Agreement. End User License Agreement. So do we need to accept any license agreement in order to deploy this model? Currently, no. So that's why I'm writing this false. And just deploying this, so that's why I'm writing this model.deploy. So this is how, very simple. This much simple in order to deploy a pre-trained model that is available in SageMaker JumpStart models. So where do I found this SageMaker JumpStart model, sir? So in notebooks itself, you have this option. So in Amazon SageMaker, there will be the options is there, and in notebooks also you have that option. I already clicked shift enter here, so that's why it is getting deploying. So let it get a deploy. You can see already one hyphen is there. So second hyphen is also came. That means the model is getting a deploying. So let it deploy. Meanwhile, let's explore where these jumpstart models are there in Amazon. You can able to identify those already pre-trained jumpstart models in this SageMaker. So in the SageMaker window, you can see here. So in the left side, you can see here jumpstart models. Like foundational models are there, computer vision models are there, NLP based models are also there. So here you can able to identify your required jumpstart model, and you can open the built-in, or yes, the built-in model names, built-in algorithms with a pre-trained model table, and you can find that particular model and their model ID, and you can simply deploy that by using this SageMaker notebooks. So this is very simple, right? So in order to deploy a model with just three steps, so this is how it will be. And those jumpstart models you can able to find directly in the main page. So under this jumpstart models, or else you can also find these jumpstart models under this studio notebooks. That is, if you open the studio notebook your account, then you can able to see like this. The window will be like this. So here you can able to identify here, that is a jumpstart. So if you click on it, then you can able to see the jumpstart models, whatever the jumpstart models that AWS will provide for us, or pre-trained models that AWS is providing for us. So Hugging Face models are there, Meta models are there, AI21 Labs models are there, Stability AI models are there. So like this, multiple jumpstart models or pre-trained models already available for us in market. So you just click on a jumpstart models here also, that also opens the same window. And here also you can search for the same, like what model you want. I already deployed a Falcon model, so that's why I'm searching for it. So you can see Falcon 7B instruct BF16. So that's what we deployed previously. You can open the notebook to see the code for your reference. So for deployment, the code is there. For fine tuning, the code is there. You can see for deployment, however we deployed. So those steps also visible here. So so that's how we can able to deploy a model, pre-trained model using Amazon SageMaker notebooks. After the model gets deployed, you can able to use that model by using that model endpoint. So where can I able to find that model endpoint in order to use the deployed model, sir? In order to use the deployed model, where can I able to find that endpoint, model endpoint, that deployed model endpoint? Under this Amazon SageMaker AI, you can see the interface, inference. Under this inference, you have these endpoints. You just click on it so that whatever the model that is deployed, that is visible here. By using the model endpoint name, by using the model endpoint name, you can able to use it. You can also observe that your model status that is in service. That means your model is just now deployed successfully. By using this model endpoint name, you can able to use this SageMaker end SageMaker deployed model. That is the Falcon 7B instruct model. Whatever the model that you deployed, you can able to use that by using this name. So in case if you not identified, so after deploying your model also you don't know the model name. So by using code also you can able to identify the model name. That is a model dot. You can see multiple options are there. What I want the endpoint name. So model dot endpoint name is the method that you can able to use to identify your endpoint name. So this is the endpoint of your model. By using this endpoint, you can able to access your model. In real time for your real world applications, if you want to deploy your model that is already available pre-trained models using Amazon SageMaker, then this is the easiest way to deploy any JumpStart models in Amazon SageMaker notebooks and using them. You need to consider this model endpoint in order to use the models. What are the deployed models that you deployed in SageMaker? So those you can able to use by using this model endpoints. So this is how in easy way you can able to deploy your model or jumpstart models in Amazon SageMaker. I hope this video is understanding to you and you understood the concept of how to deploy a model in easy way in Amazon SageMaker. So if you want to deploy say jumpstart models or pre-trained models, this video will be helpful to you. So I hope you understood this video and you got some knowledge from this video. If you feel this video is useful, then please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thanks for watching again. See you back in the next video with another interesting topic. Until then, bye bye, guys.